Namaskar. A very good evening as I am making this video in the evening. You might be seeing it in the morning time. A very warm welcome to all my viewers, my distinguished ladies, my divas. First, let me tell you, these videos are coming to you little, the frequency is more these days, let me tell you, because I'm getting very nice response from you all. You like my sarees. You again, in my last videos also, so many were sold, and this gives me extra thrill, let me tell you, to make newer sarees right from factory. I am today here back. As you can all see, my embroidery unit in one of my videos 4-5 months back, perhaps I uploaded one video on embroidery. I'll show you some unique embroideries today too. And I'm right back today, 100 kilometers away from Calcutta. I have got my workshop, and from there I'm coming today, and I am in my showroom right now, and I'll be showing you some thread work sarees differently done, and you will be finding them unique, because let me tell you, we don't see what others are doing. We do what our conscience, our mind, our creativity, our finer sense allow us. So that's how I go to my first sari today. This is number 1 sari, as one of my viewers has requested me to say the numbers of the sari. All are not comfortable with screenshots and all. So this is hand Ari Jardosi work. First, let me show you the back of the work. Okay, this is the back, handmade sari, Ari embroidery on a tussar silk sari. This is the best tussar available. You know, we can't work so much if the quality of tussar is poor, and the color, the dye that we have made in our factory, you can see the dye. This is the palla of the sari. It's uniquely dyed. The color is a bay leaf type color, khaki green, very light khaki green also you can say. And this embroidery is called Ari Jardosi work. This has been done throughout the border of the sari, and some buttas are there in between. And this material is so costly, they will never be faded or get blackish with years. Even after 15 years, you will be finding them this glossy, this beautiful. So this can be a pride to your wardrobe, let me tell you. This has got blouse piece too. The whole sari goes like this. This is the work, and there are different stitches in Ari work done. Some materials are used. So this is how the sari goes. I think you will like it. And this is the embroidery, 2.5 meter usually we do on the upper border. The lower border whole is worked. So this is more than 10 meter work. This is the palla. In the palla also we have got the work. And I show you the blouse piece of the sari, where again you will find the buttas done, which will come on your hand in the blouse. The price of the sari is 9,500. Number 1 sari, the price of the sari is 9,500. I show you the work that is done on the blouse piece hand, like this. 3 buttas. 3 small buttas are there on the hand of the blouse piece. So this is border has been given also on the hand of the blouse piece. The whole sari has got this border also given by us so that it gets this get up. Very gorgeous, very elegant sari. 9,500 is the cost of the sari. I hope you have understood the color and the work of the sari. I think we could explain these flowers. See these flowers. So very nicely done. This is number 1 sari. So 9,500 is the price. Hand work, hand embroidery always makes a sari very unique. Now I go to a Gujarati work done on a tussar, 7,950. Number 2 sari price is 7,950. This is again Gujarati work or Kutchi work, whatever you say. Again hand embroidered. You can see the back of it. These actually the sarees that I am showing you today, they take 7 to 8 months for a lady to finish it. See the finishing. The finishing is so nice. This is single artisan work. We don't give to the sarees to, many artisans finish it. See, sit around the saree and finish it somehow. These are not made like that. And this purple, dark purple, is a very nice color. Very nice color. You can see this is how the saree goes. The white is the work. You can get mirrors also here in the work, Kutchi work. These small buttas throughout the body of the saree. Throughout. You can see the saree goes like this. Show the, the border that goes in the lower part of the saree. See, till the end of the saree you get the work. And this is the embroidery done in the blouse piece, both side, both hands. This one and this one. So this is how the blouse piece goes. 7,950. Today's second saree, purple color, tussar silk. Both the sarees that I am showing you today, just shown, the first one and the second one. These are best quality tussar silks, dyed in our workshop, and then single artisan has finished it. So I go to the third saree now. See, this third saree is a Murshidabad silk. First two were tussar silks. This is Murshidabad silk. This is again a unique idea of us. See, the saree has been block printed first. It's multicolor. Here you get golden color, then Rani, green, turquoise blue, and navy blue is a small border, half-inch border. The whole saree is block printed like this first. Then we have made kantha stitch, hand embroidery, kantha stitch on every outline like this, hand embroidery. You can see the back of it. So the whole saree has been kantha stitched like this, and the blouse piece is also running. The blouse piece has also no variation. It will look like this when you wear. The blouse will be also of this color. Very unique saree. Very unique. Single piece in India. The sarees that I am showing you, they are all single piece in India. So I am proudly saying this, demanding this. So this is a pretty saree. Very comfortable, very nice saree. Whole saree is kantha stitched like this. You see, till the end. Not a single place is left. The whole saree is embroidered. The price of the saree is 5,500. The price goes down to 5,000 because, so this is number 3 saree, sorry, 5,800. I'm sorry, extremely sorry. 5,800 is the price. This is 3-ply Murshidabad silk with blouse piece, with hand embroidery kantha all over the body. Now I go to another block printed saree. First we get them block printed in our workshop, and then we give them to the artisans to value add. This is called value addition, no? So this is the block print, golden and black with virgin tussar color. This is tussar silk. Ari work done around all the birds that you get. See, I show you how embroidery is done on the outlines. On the outlines. Is it clear? I think it's clear. It's Ari work has been done around the birds like this. So this is how the saree goes, and the blouse piece is golden in color. This is how the saree goes. This is pretty golden color. We haven't printed anything here. It will give you an elegant look. The saree would look like this when you wear. So this saree is 7,500 Jari border tussar silk sarees woven in West Bengal. As you all know, right from the beginning to end, these are all handmade. No technology is used in them. We respect our artisans. In India, sometimes I think that we are lucky enough to get artisans at this price so that we can give you this price for the sarees. another tussar silk Jari border sari. This is also hand blocked by us. Since we have our own unit, we first prefer to hand block them and then done Ari work and mirror work also, highlighting the flowers like this, highlighting. So this is the sari that goes, beautiful virgin color tussar. Then the temples are here. This is temple bordered saris, both the side temples, and then these buttas in yellow and green, very sober sari. You can wear them at any function during daytime if you are to go. This is how the whole sari goes, and the blouse piece has nothing because it has only this temple with Ari work at the hand. Here you will get in the blouse. This is royal blue color, the blouse piece, and the palla of the sari is blue and green. So palla is like this. In the palla also all the flowers are highlighted by Ari work. Let me see the price of the sari. This is 6,500. 6,500 Jari border tussar silk with Ari, hand Ari work highlighted. This is a sari, again Gachi tussar we call it. This is a sari. This sari is, first as the price has come to me, this is 6,450. I show you the blouse piece. Maroon is the blouse piece, okay. Now this is the border that will come in your hand. I show you the palla. Palla and blouse pieces I have shown in this way. This is the blouse piece. Sorry, palla. Blouse piece is maroon. This is number 4 saris, no? Number 5. This is number 5 saris. So this is the palla of the sari. Now there is a texture, that is block printed texture on the body whole. I don't think that this will be that visible, but when you get the sari in your hand you will get it. This is not black. This is black, but there is another print textured at the base of it. Then we have these buttas. These buttas are Ari hand embroidery. In alternate colors we have made them. See. This is number 6 sari. Oh sorry, this is number 6. Number 6. These are the buttas. You can take a screenshot, send them to us so that we understand well your choice, as you have been doing. But one or two divas, requested us to give the number of the saris so that they can, tell us the number. So these are the buttas. See, some buttas are maroon and orange. Some are off-white and orange. So this is alternately done. See? So close the buttas are, very close to each other. Now the sari, till the end of the sari you will get it. You will get it, and then comes the blouse piece, maroon. I think you have understood it. The price is 6,450. So this is our number 7 sari. 6. Number 6. This is 7. Number 7 is green. Very nice green. English green you will get. This is again block printed. As we specialize in block printing, hand painting, hand embroidery, these are our fields. So broad border on the lower side. This is the broad border, royal blue, black temples, then green. On green you get these black flowers, the buttas made in hand block, and on the buttas Ari work has been done. So this is how the sari goes. This is how you would look when you drape the sari. So this is the sari, very pretty, and the blouse piece is, that should be royal blue I think. Yes, this is the blouse piece and royal blue. The palla of the sari is also royal blue. This is hand embroidered. 6,500 is the price. You will get how they are highlighted. So any small function you can wear them. Very pretty. Some office function, corporate use you can do. Number 7 sari. This is number 7. I go to number 8. Number 8 is again a tussar silk. Tussar silk, block printed, hand embroidery done. These are the mirror work. Highlighted, the pallu is highlighted like this with mirror, and this is the border. See how sharp the temples are. Very nice looking. And in the temple you will find both two colors are there. It is an effect we have made. From maroon it is going to orange. Two colors are used in the temple, and small triangles outlined by Ari, and small, and in the middle you will find a mirror. So this is how the sari goes. Very elegant, very good quality. Those who are getting my saris, they are coming to know about our quality. We like to be proud of our quality. We have special viewers for us, and these are the buttas, and this is how the sari looks. Very corporate, virgin color sari, and the blouse piece is maroon, and maroon color looks like wine color. Very nice tone it gets when it comes on, you know, tussar threads. West Bengal is famous for its tussars. These are all natural fibers, let me tell you. This is the palla of the sari. I think you could get the sari. This goes like this. This is how you look when you drape it. Very nice. You get the saris, and you know, you will find that the price is sometimes worth it, sometimes less. As we are manufacturers, these are all manufacturers' price. But let me tell you, I am proud today to announce it here online that all these saris that I have shown you today, they are single piece in India till date. I haven't made the single piece, second piece, you know, and I haven't shown them. So this is number 8. Now this is a Katan silk, hand painted by us. Katan silk, hand painted by us. And this is first thing we have done is, on this Katan silk, before the hand painting, we have done a crack, batik crack on it. See, this is how the sari goes. This is how the sari goes. This is how it goes. The whole sari is like this. See, this is the palla. You get it? This is the palla. Crack has been done. I think you are watching it. Batik crack. Wax batik. This is the lower border. The whole sari goes like this. And our speciality is, on the outline of every hand embroidery, you are getting this Ari work again. So I love Ari work. It has got so many stitches. So all these, let me show you. Around the leaves, they're all Ari work done. And beautiful sari. See, the blouse piece is also in crack. The blouse piece also maroon color, and it is in crack. 6,200 is the price. 6,200 is the price of the sari. So so much work has been done. First crack work, then hand painting, then hand Ari. And this is Katan silk. As you know, Katan is a very rich silk. Very nice fall. You can wash them at home. First thing is this. So you look pretty in this. 9. This is number 9. And I go to number 10. That is last sari of today's episode. This is, again, we call this chichira. We call this overlapping print. We call this shifting print, done on the base of it, hand block. On the hand block, if you can find, this is the thing that I am talking about, shifting. Now, this is the hand painting done, you know, in this border. So this is coming from your feet till your knee level. These paintings will go, and then again Ari work. I love highlighting things with Ari. I like to make you special. So this is how the palla of the sari goes. The whole sari is like this. You can get all those flowers and stems and everything, leaves, hand painted. This is how the sari goes. And the blouse piece is black in color, jari border, tussar silk. Number 10. Last sari of today's, you know, session. So I tell you the price of this sari. The price is, let me see. Let me see the price. Give me little bit of time. Yes, this is the price. Price is 6,500 again. 6,500. So mostly I have shown you 6,000 rent sarees. 6,500, 6,200. Not much. Now so much handwork has been done. I think you will get to know about it, and I think you love my creations. If you love them, please share and subscribe my videos so that I reach more people. And if you subscribe, you will be getting my more videos from time to time. As you are responding so well, I am getting enthusiastic about these videos. Let me tell you, this is from the very core of my heart I am saying this. And our phone numbers will go with these uploads. Even then, I repeat, 8777 686383. This is our WhatsApp number, 9874764588. Another number. And those who like to come to our showroom, they can come. Those who stay in Kolkata, and I am speaking only in English so that everybody understands. আমার বাঙালি বন্ধুদের জন্যও আমি জানি আপনারা সবাই বুঝতে পারছেন আমি কি বলছি, আর আপনারাও আমাকে ফলো করছেন। আমি অর্ডার্স পাচ্ছি, আমি বুঝতে পারছি যে বাঙালিরাও সমানভাবে আমার শাড়িগুলোকে পছন্দ করছেন, দেখছেন, আমাদেরকে ভালোবাসছেন। আমরা নিজেরা কাজ করি, আমরা যদি বলেন বুটিক শব্দটার যে একটা অর্থ আছে সেটাকে সম্মান করার চেষ্টা করি। আমরা একটা ইউনিট চালানো, প্রিন্টিং ইউনিট, এবং সেখানে শুধু আমারই জন্য শাড়ি তৈরি হয়, এটা অনেক বড় কথা। তো আপনারা সবাই আমার নমস্কার জানবেন। আই request you all to subscribe my channel. Meet you again in my next video. Thank you for today.